Hi friend, today I'll show you how to load a layer into QGIS. So for example, you can see this is my layer panel and I have like the processing toolbox panel. So I just want to add another panel here. So just go to view, and then in the panel you can access several panels that I have here. So just want to add a browser panel. So upon adding, you'll see we have like the panel, the browser one. So today simply I just show you whether you are new in QGIS. I'll show you easy way to load layer or data into QGIS. So uh, I've already added the browser. So for now, I just want to add some layers to my working place, and this is my working place. But before, I just want you to make sure that whatever you want to do, anything you need to set your CLS. So just go direct, and then in EPSG you have to set your CLS that you want to work with. So for example, for my case, I just want to use the ARC 196 UTM zone 36S, and if I just click here, you'll see that I just want to work with this area, and of course this is Tanzania west part. So click OK. Done. You have already set your CLS to a western part in Tanzania. The next thing, I just want to load my my layer. So for real, I just added my folder in favorite. So if you want to add another, you just click here and then add a directory, and then you'll select your folder or favorite folder that you always want to access when using QGIS. So for my case, I just select this is my GIS folder where I store some of my current works. And then so just to add another, I'll just add, for example, this is Malaya National Park. I just want to add this this folder. Done. So after that, you have already added your folder. So for my case, just want to load one of my layers. So for example, I just want to load the raster layer. So we have like the vector layer and the raster layer. The raster layer is in form of a picture, so I just loaded this. For example, click and drag here. This is my raster data, and of course I just want to add load. This is vector data, so just drag and drop, and then I'll just select here. Yeah, this is my road, and then I just want to add like the polygon data, and of course I'm just gonna use bundle. Yeah, I'm just gonna use the bundle and then click drag. So that's how we can add. Let me just add more on the point data, and then can't find point data. It's okay, let's just leave us that way. So if you just come back to layer, you'll see like we have loaded three data, and this is raster data, and the vector data, of course, line and the polygon. Yeah, so that's the first principle, first way to add, or easy way to add layer to your QGIS. But I'll show you another way to add layers. You just go to layers and then add layer, and then you'll be able to add a vector layer, a raster layer, and other. So I'll just show you quickly how to add a vector layer again. So just add to vector layer, and then here you just gonna select your folders that you want to load. For my case, I just want to use this, and then I just use, yeah, so I just load the roads, and then if you click and then open, yeah, and then add direct to just add your layer. And then for now I'll just show you how to add a delimited text layer. Sometimes you can have your data in the Excel form, so I'll show you how to add your data in form of Excel form toward the QGIS. So to do so, yeah, take an example. I have like the serial number, and then I have X coordinate and Y coordinate. So I'm just gonna show you how to add this into your QGIS. So make sure you need to save this Excel format in form of comma delimited. So just go and save as, and then I just select the comma delimited. So that's how you will be using. And then I just want to save to my folder, and of course I just for today I'll just use the folder. Then I'll just save here, and then I'll just name it sample data, and then after that I just save. Yeah, so for that I'll just go back to my QGIS, and then I'll just go to vector, layer, and then add layer, add delimited text layer, and then if you click here I'll select my layer, and of course I'll go back to my folder, and this is my sample data. If I click here and then click open, so for now I'll just this is CSV, of course, and I'll show you so I have X field and Y field. Of course, X field is X and Y field is Y. I don't have Z field, of course, and then I'll come here and set my CLIs. So for my case, I'll just select the same CLIs, select this, and then click OK. And then after that, some of it that I'll shown here, and then click Add. Yeah, so done. If you just click zoom to layer, you'll find like this is my sample point. Yeah, and then next I'll show you other way to add, is a way to add your layer into QGIS. So for some reason you just have your folder. For example, this is my folder. Let me show you I just want to find my so for Lily, I just want you to know, for example, this is my geo package layer. So to load the geo package layer is just simple. You can just right click this and then drag drop to your working place in QGIS, and boom, the layer will be loaded to. If you just right click and zoom to layer, you will find this is my Kisalawe district. Yeah, in other case you'll find this my layer in terms of a shapefile. So just have to select this one. This is shapefile. So just select, for example, this is my shapefile, and this is my shapefile, and this .cpg, .dbf, .brj, these are the files that support the shapefile. For really, they store the georeference or location data on that specified shapefile. So for example, just want to drag and just drag drop. For example, this is drag drop to a working place in QGIS, and boom, yeah, this is how easy to load your data into QGIS. For real, I just want you to show some symbology tips, and of course I have like the in the next video you'll see the symbology tutorial, but for now I just want you to show how to, for example, if you just right click and go to properties, you'll find the information and source, of course. So for now just concentrate on the symbology and label. So I'll just show you symbology and label for today. So just if you click on the symbology, you'll see like we have the symbology, but of course you can use categorized, graduate, and others. For my case, just if you just cancel and then right click and then open attribute table right here. So if you just open the attribute table, you see that this is type of a layer, this is the name of regions, and for now, let me see. I just want to categorize this layer into the names of a regions. So like each region will have like the specified color. So for now, just right click and then go to properties again, and then I'll show you, like I just use a categorize, and then I just want categorize using the names. So names, and then I just select the random color, and of course no, I don't want to select any color, so just classify. You see like we have all of the regions with their color. So just untick this is also, and then click OK. So you'll see like we have like the color in each of the regions. So that's the first thing I just want to show you, and then I will show you, of course, if you just expand this, you'll see like we have all of the regions, of course. Another thing I just want you to show you how to click a simple label. So just go to properties again, and then go to label, and then on the no label, just select the single label, and then I just want to appear the names, of course, and the text. You can set your text like here, so you can change the font, you can use the font that you like, and then you can have like the style. If you just want to be italic or something, just select here, right here. So I just want to be bold, and then the size, you can increase or decrease your size of the text. Select the color of the text. For example, I just want it to be blue, and then after that you just have to come back to buffer, and then say for example, I just want to be a buffer, of course, and then you can increase the size or decrease, and of course you can put some mask, of course, background, and other setting, of course. For this, in the next video, you'll just see the deepest part of this, and then click OK. Yeah, boom, we have like the names of each of yeah. So for today, I just want you to be engaged in this tutorial and be part of it. Just make sure you practice, always practice, make you better and better every day. Thanks. Make sure you follow my account for more next coming videos. Thanks.